Hello, good morning all everyone. Today we will start with the exercise 3.6. Okay, so already we completed the four methods, which are the graphical method, substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication methods. These all four methods are over. Now this is a different type of set of questions. The meaning is that the equations which are giving is not in a pair of linear equations. We have to make them to linear equation format. That is why I written here equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, you can see from the question 1 by 2x, 1 by 2x giving very clearly you can say it is not a linear equation in two variable, because the degree of x while writing in the correct format it will come as x raised to minus 1. So minus 1 will come as the degree. Therefore these are not in the linear equation format. We have to reduce them to linear equation format and then solve it. Okay, that is why the heading written in this way: equation reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. First question, see, 1 by 2xa plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3xa plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. This 1 by 2x, how we are splitted, see here, rough calculation I shown here. So 1 by 2x is equal to, you can split it as 1 by 2 into 1 by x. But what is we are taken 1 by x whole, not only x is equal to a giving, then again it is not in the linear equation. Therefore you will take the whole term 1 by x total, you take it as a. 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. If you are taking 1 by x is a, here what will get a? You will get it is 1 by 2 into a, so that you can write in the format a by 2. Clear? Now see the degree of a degree of a is 1. So it is linear equation format getting. So then, so that from these two equations, if you are putting 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b, you will get two linear equations containing the variable a and b. Then we will solve the equations in terms of a and b. You will get the value of a and b. Then we will find out the value of x and y. This is the method. So this type of questions, one question every year coming, very important type of questions. Okay. So here you see here. So got now 1 by x, what we are creating? A. So this 2 will be the downside only. So a by 2 plus here 1 by y is b. So b by 3 is equal to 2. Take the LCM, 6 upon 3a and here 2b cross multiply is equal to 2. Now 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. You got the first equation now. Same way here you apply 1 by x is equal to a, apply, what you will get? A by 3. Here 1 by y is equal to b, apply b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. See here, a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6 now. Take LCM, 6 upon 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 by 6. So this 6 and this 6 will cancel. Okay. So then what you will get the equation? 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. 2a plus 3b is equal to how much you will get? 13. Okay, 2a plus 3b. So you got the two equations now. 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 got, and 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 got. Now according to our usual method, any of the method you apply and solve it. Okay. See here, I use the elimination method. So equation, here what I done, I made the coefficient of a term same. Here 3a, here 2a. So I multiplied here 2 and here multiplied by 3. So see here. So multiplied first equation by 2, that means what we will get? 6a plus 4b is equal to 12, 24, 12 into 2, 24. Here I multiplied by 3, 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. So solve these two. Solving 3 and 4. 6a plus 4b is equal to 24. 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. So subtracting. Subtracting means sign changing and adding. So here minus, here minus, here minus. Okay. So 6a minus 6a cancelled. 4a minus 9b, what will come? Minus 5b is equal to minus 15. Therefore the value of b is equal to minus 15 by minus 5. Therefore the value of b, what you got? 3. This is our usual method only. Now the value of b is equal to 3, you apply in any of the equations. Here I given it is in the equation number 1. So 3a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Therefore 3a plus 6 is equal to 12. Therefore 3a is equal to 12 minus 6, that is equal to 6. Therefore a is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore the value of a is equal to 2. Now you got which values? A and b got. That is not your question. Your question was given in terms of x and y. So from this a and b, you find the value of x and y. Okay. So this is very important points. So now you see here 1 by x you supposed as a. See the question starting you see. So what you supposed? 1 by x you a supposed as a. 1 by y you supposed as b. So in the place of a you got the value. A how much got? A you got as 2. So 1 by x is equal to a is equal to 2. 2 I can write as 2 by 1. Now here if you are, how you will get x? The inverse of 1 by x is x. So here you are inversing, then here also inverse. Reverse the ratios in both the sides. What you will get? 1 by x reversing you will get x. 2 by 1 reversing you will get 1 by 2. So what's the value of x? 1 by 2. And similarly 1 by y you supposed as b, and the value of b is 3. 3 means 3 by 1. For getting the value of y, here also reverse, here also reverse. Take the inverse. That only in short. Otherwise reciprocal. Reciprocal, take on both the sides. One side only we are not taking anything. Okay. So here it's a reciprocal y, its reciprocal is what will come? 1 by 3. Therefore the value of x is equal to 1 by 2 and the value of y is equal to how much? 1 by 3. This is the only method throughout this exercise we are going to explain. Okay. Now question number 2, listen. Here what is given? Root x is given in the denominator. Usually x is given, but here given root x. So what you will take? A 1 by root x you will take it as a. Root x a giving no meaning, I told you in the previous sum. Root x a giving, here downside a only will come. Then again it is not in a linear equation. So that this 1 by root x, the whole fraction together, we will take it as a. And 1 by root 2y together we will take it as b. Okay. So 1 by root x we are giving as a. Here I shown here 2 by root x is equal to 2 into 1 by root x. What's the value of 1 by root x? You already supposed as a. Therefore what will come? 2a. So here give 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. Same way here give 4a minus 9b is equal to how much? Minus 1. So now solve the equations 1 and 2. What I done here? Equation number 1 multiplied by 3. Why I taken in such a way? Because here plus and here minus no. Always adding is convenient because sign change problem will not arise. So always that if adding possibility is there, that only you try to apply. So that here this first equation I multiplied by 3. So here multiply by 3, 6a. Here multiply by 3, 9b. Here multiply by 3, 6. So you got the third equation. Now we are solving 1 and 3 no. Multiplying 1 by 3, then we are directly solving which equations? Equation number 2 and 3 solving. By solving 2 and 3. 2 is third equation is this one, 6a plus 9b is equal to 6, and the second equation is this one, 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Here plus 9b, here minus 9b came now, so it will cancel automatically because we are adding. Adding time there is no need to change the sign, so direct add. So 6a plus 4a, how much? 10a. 5 plus minus 1, how much coming? Plus 5. Okay. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 10a you got as 5, therefore a is equal to 5 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the value of a you got as 1 by 2. And same method, put a is equal to 1 by 2 in first equation. So applying the first equation, apply the C, calculation C, you knowing the calculation now. So what is the value of b you got? 1 by 3. The value of b you got as 1 by 3. So a and b values got now. A got 1 by 2 and b got 1 by 3. Now is the main process. Properly listen. 1 by root x is equal to a, you supposed already. That a you got as 1 by 2. So here also inverse, here also inverse. What will get a root x is equal to 2. And here root 2y is equal to 3. Now your question is to find out the value of x and y. Solve the equation means find out the unknown variables x and y. So how to get the value of x here? How we can come out of root? Square them. Okay, square on both the sides. Here squaring root x the whole square is x and 2 square is 4, and root y the whole square is y, and 3 square is 9. Now root y the whole square is y and 3 square is equal to 9. Okay, therefore the value of x is equal to 4 and the value of y is equal to 9. Okay, now 3 questions I written here as homework. Okay, these are simple sums you work out. All the step problems all I am explaining and giving. So this type of sums you work out by yourself. Now next question, see, this is also a different question. Here you can see x linear, here y also degree 1, but here you see x, y, what is the degree? The degree of x is 1 and degree of y is 1, so 1 plus 1 degree 2 color. Therefore in this way any question you are observing, you have to divide throughout this equation by xy, so then we will get in the form 1 by x 1 by y format you will get. After 1 by x 1 by y format getting, as usual 1 by x you give as a and 1 by y you give it as b. Here you can't able to solve this one by keeping xy, so that we will divide both the equations throughout by xy. See here, xy 6x plus 3y by xy, 6xy by xy means xy will cancel, so I written only 6. Here also same, divide throughout by xy. Here also xy divide. Here 5xy by xy means xy will cancel, you will get 5. Now each term you divide 6x by xy and 3y by xy. Okay, here all. So here x will cancel, you will get 6 by y. Here y will cancel, you will get 3 by x is equal to 6. Therefore write in the order 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 6. Question number 1 got now. Same method second one also you will get. See. Okay. Now that also you arrange in the same format. 4 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 5. Now you see the equation number 1 and 2. Which format got? 1 by x, 1 by y format got now both. Now as usual method. 1 by x you give it as a and 1 by y you give it as b. So here you will get a 3a plus 6b is equal to 6. Here you will get 4a plus 2b is equal to 5. Okay. See. Both the equations got now. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. Equation here you got 3a plus 6b is equal to 6 now, got now. But you can see here 3 is common throughout the equation. You can see 3 common now. So divide by 3. You will get here dividing by 3. Here you will get a. here plus 2b, here you will get 2. And this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So see, you properly watch equation number 3 and 4, anything common terms are coming? Yes. Which term? 2b here, 2b here, common coming now. Therefore what can say? So we have to subtract the equations. Equation number 3 and 4 subtracting. Why? Same sign, the same term. That is why. So change the sign. Change. So a minus 4a, how much will come? Minus 3a. 2b minus 2b will cancel. 2 minus 5 minus 3. Therefore, the value of a is equal to minus 3 by minus 3, that is equal to 1. The value of a is equal to how much got? 1. Now put the value of a is equal to 1 in equation number 3. 3 means this one. So once more we can see 3 this one. A plus 2b is equal to 2 only 3. There we give the value. So in the place of a you give 1. 2b is equal to 2. So this 1 will go this side. So 2 minus 1. Therefore 2b is equal to 1. Therefore b is equal to 1 by 2. So here also you got the value of a and b both. Got clear? Now what is your aim? We want to find out the value of x and y. So same method. 1 by x you suppose as a, that a is equal to 1 or 1 by 1. Reversing what you will get? 1 by x reversing you will get x. The inverse of 1 is 1 only. So the value of x is equal to 1. So 1 by y is equal to b is equal to 1 by 2. So inverse here also inverse. Y is equal to 2. Okay students? What clear now? Yes. Now read the next question. Question number 7. See. Go through the sums properly. Question number 7. See. 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to. Till now we had seen the denominator having only one single term, x and y, either x or y. But here what is coming? X plus y, binomial term came. Here also binomial, here also binomial, here also binomial. But which is common? Both the equations. Here 1 by x plus y, here also 1 by x plus y common. Here 1 by x minus y, here also 1 by x minus y common. Therefore, that terms you give it as a. 1 by x plus y is equal to a. 1 by x minus y is equal to b. Okay. Can give the value? Here give 1 by x plus y together what is giving a. So what is the, how the equation will become? 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Clear now? Here also give 1 by x plus y, what you will give a. So 15a, here 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. In the first equation you can see here we reduced now, something common was there. Which was common? 2. So throughout divided 2. So what you got here? 5a plus b is equal to 2. Equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Clear? Equation number 2 and equation number 1 see properly. Any common terms are there? Coefficient same anywhere is there? No. So here minus 5b. So here plus 5b coming, it is easy. Only you want to add them. Therefore what I done here? Equation number 1 multiplied by 5. So that here will become 5b. What I written? Equation number 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to, multiply here, 25a plus 5b is equal to 10. And this as it is right here. Now here plus 5b, here minus 5b. Therefore add the equations. Opposite sign coming. We are adding always. Clear? So what you got adding? 25 plus 15, 40a. Then plus 5b minus 5b cancelled. 10 plus minus 2 means 8. Therefore a is equal to 8 by 40. That means 8 up and down cancel. So what you will get? A 1 by 5. Value of A how much got? 1 by 5. Okay. Now same as, now what you will do? Apply the value of A is equal to 1 by 5 in any of the equations. Which equation I written using? A is equal to 1 by 5 in equation number 1. Apply in equation number 1. Which is equation number 1? We can see once more. 5A plus B is equal to, here you give the value. See, in the place of A 1 by 5, give 5 into 1 by 5 plus B is equal to 2. Therefore 1 plus B is equal to 2. Therefore B is equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. That's the value of B, 1. Okay, clear? So you got the value of A and you got the value of B. Now what you will do? Which value you suppose there you will give the value. See here, 1 by x plus y you given as A, but that A is 1 by 5. So here in reverse reciprocal take, here also reciprocal take. What you will get? X plus y is equal to 5, equation number 3. And here 1 by x minus y you supposed as B, that is equal to 1. Therefore x minus y is equal to how much coming? 1. Equation number 4. Now again we have to solve. Which equation? X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Again you solve the same method. See here, plus y minus y coming, so we are adding the equation. So x plus x 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, 3. Put the value of x is equal to 3 in where? In equation number 3 give. There is equation number 3, this here. Okay. So you got the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Okay students. So here 3 different types. 1 by x sums I explained, 1 by root x I explained, denominator 2 terms together coming, that is also explained, and xy terms, that different sums I explained. So all the different type of sums, again more sums you practice from the workbook and practice book from anywhere. Okay, go through this sum once more from the beginning onwards. See, go through properly. Okay, getting now easily. Yes, 1 by x plus y we are giving as A, 1 by x minus y we are giving as B. Okay, you treat this as a single term, then no problems. Okay, na? Okay. Here 2 times solving coming, because x plus y, x minus y, 2 variables together coming in one equation, no, that is why. Okay, same type of another one more sum I will explain. Question number 8. See here. Here also same question, same type of questions, but the coefficients of x is 3 given extra. That only the difference. So here in both the equations, which terms are common you see. Here in this equation 1 by x, 3x plus y is there. Here also 1 by 3x plus y is there. So that term we will give it as A. And here 1 by 3x minus y. Here also 1 by 3x minus y. So that we will give it as B. Okay, we can go through the sum. See here. This equation full reader and this equation also full you reader. What is common in both the equations? Here 1 by 3x plus y is there. Here also 1 by 3x plus y is there. So 1 by 3x plus y we are taken as A. Clear? Here 1 by 3x minus y. Here 1 by 3x minus y is there. So we are taken that as B. Following now? Yes? So this whole term we are taken as A, no? So A plus B, this 1 by 3x minus y you are taken as B. Therefore here you give the value as B. It's equal to how much got? 3 by 4. Okay? Perfectly getting now? Yes. Now cross multiply. 4A plus 4B is equal to 3. Okay? Equation number 1. Same way here. Here you see this 1 by 3x plus y together you are taking as a. So what will come? A by 2. 2 is in the denominator only always. Minus here b by 2 is equal to how much coming? Minus 1 by 8. Okay. So here you see, can see here denominator, see throughout 2 is common, no, so you cancel throughout. Okay. So then what we will get here? Here a 2, here cancelled, here cancelled, here also 2 cancelled. Therefore what we will get? A minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay. So cross multiplying, 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. So equation number 2. First and second equation got now? Clear? First and second equation you got in terms of the variable a and b. Okay. Now we will solve with equations 1 and 2 solve. See the next step. Solving 1 and 2. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. So here 4b, here minus 4b is there. So what we done here? Adding the terms. Opposite sign coming, we will add always. So 4a plus 4a how much coming? 8a. 8a how much got? 2. 3 plus minus 1. Take the difference and put the largest number sign. So you got a is equal to how much? 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is equal to how much? 1 by 4. 2 up and down cancelling, you will get a 1 by 4. Now as usual, this a is equal to 1 by 4, we will apply in any of the equations. Which equation we given? Equation number 1. Okay. Equation number 1 you can see now, this is equation number 1. See here. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3 is equation number 1. Apply there. Any, either you give an equation number 1 or you give an equation number 2, answer will be same only. Okay. So 4 into 1 by 4 is equal plus 4b is equal to 3. This 4 up and down cancelling 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. Therefore 4b is equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Therefore b is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. You got the value of a. What's the value of a? 1 by 4. You got the value of b. How much got? 1 by 2. Clear? Clear no? Yes. Now see. 1 by 3x plus y you supposed as a. Beginning you had seen. 1 by 3x plus y you supposed as a. But that a you got how much? 1 by 4. See. So 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a. That is equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, 1 by 3x minus y you supposed as b, that is equal to 1 by 2. Here you reverse, here reverse, you will get a 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation number 3. And here 3x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 4. Okay. Now how many equations you got? You got the equations 3 and 4. 3 and 4 solved. 3 and 4 solving. You will get the value of x and y. Okay. Solve it. Solve the equations 3 and 4. Solve the equations 3 and 4 now. So what's the value of third equation? 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Solve it. 3 and 4 solving. Solving 3 and 4. 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Okay. So what you are getting? Here plus y minus y coming. So it will cancel. 3x plus 3x, how much will come? 6x is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. Therefore the value of x is equal to 6 by 6. That is equal to how much getting 1. Put x is equal to 1, equation number 3. Therefore you getting the value of y. 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So 3 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore you got the value of x is, y is equal to 1. X 1 got and y also you got as 1. Clear? Go through sums properly once more. Here onwards you see the sum properly once more. Okay, 1 by 3x plus y, how much you given? A. How we are supposing it is A, I told you. In both the equations, which terms common coming, that we are taking as A. And here also which is common, 1 by 3x minus y is coming as common. So you are taken as B. Okay. So here A, here plus B is equal to how much will come? 3 by 4. Okay. Cross multiply and make one equation. And here 1 by 3x plus y you take it as A. So A by 2 will come. Here 1 by 3x minus y as B. So B by 2 will come. This type of, here you want to see properly. Okay. A by 2 minus B by 2 is equal to how much got? Minus 1 by 8. Either you can able to cross multiply, anything you do, I want to get the equation only, correct equation. Okay. So what you got? Here I done what? 2 throughout 2 divided. So then what you got? A minus B is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So this 4 cross multiply, 4A minus 4B is equal to minus 1. So you got equation number 1 and 2. So this equation solve again. Solving here very clearly you knowing plus 4B minus 4B is there. So adding the equation you will get the value of A. See here. When adding, when subtracting, I told you opposite sign coming you add, same sign coming we have to subtract. 8A is equal to how much got? 2. Therefore A is equal to how much got? 1 by 4. Then A is equal to 1 by 4. We are substituting in any equation. So what you got the value of B? B 1 by 2 got. Here is the main point. 1 by 3x plus y you are supposed as A, that A is you got as 1 by 4. And therefore here in take the reciprocal, here also take the reciprocal. So you will get 3x plus y is equal to 4. Here also same. Now you got the last two equations, which are there 3 and 4. Now 3 and 4 solving you know angle. Okay. Got clear now? So what is the solution? You got the solution is 1 1. Ordered where 1 1 is the solution. Okay students, clearly got now? Yes. So that we will see in the next video. Okay. Bye.